Hi, I'm Andy from Howard's Peugeot in Taunton, and I'm going to show you around this stylish 208 in the Allure Premium specification. So we originally sold this car from new and have taken it back in part exchange. You get this lovely panoramic glass roof, 16-inch alloy wheels, tinted rear windows, there's reversing sensors as well as a colour reversing camera. Inside the car you've got the 7-inch touchscreen that features DAB digital radio as well as Apple CarPlay, Android Auto and Bluetooth. You also get air conditioning, automatic headlights, wipers and cruise control. So let's have a look around. This car comes with a 1.2 litre PureTech engine that gives you 82 horsepower. It's only done 5,000 miles, and if it's of interest to you, then please get in contact with us at Howard's Peugeot in Taunton. Thank you.